All right, so we're in TABE Success and we're on page 21 and we're estimating products. Now, I want to take a second and talk about these two words. First off, estimating. Estimating is when you make a good guess, a reasonable guess, something that's close, okay? It's not exact, it's not the answer, okay? But it's close enough that if you were doing, I don't know, if you were grocery shopping or you were thinking about buying something in a store, you'd have a rough idea. A product is a fancy way to say the answer you get when you multiply. So today's project, we're going to be doing estimating to get multiplication answers. Now, I want to take a second and talk about the rule of 5 again. We talked about this before, but let's brush up on it. If I say to you, is 83 closer to 80 or 90? Your gut probably says, well, yeah, Mr. Steinley, yeah, that's closer to 80. And for estimation purposes, you're right. 84. Yeah, 84 is closer to 80 than 90. And again, that's right. Now here's where you have to use the rule. 85. Is that closer to 80 or is it closer to 90? What do I put here if I'm estimating? Well, the rule we use in math is that if we're going between 80 and 90, that's a tens place, we look at the ones place, we look at 1 over to the right, and that's a 5. And the rule is if it's 5, it bumps up. So 85, we say, is closer to 90 than to 80. 86 is 90 if we're estimating, and 87, 88, 89, those are all going to estimate out as 90. So let's look at our example problem. We have 34 times 67. We look at each number individually. 34, closer to 30. 67, closer to 70. And now we have our problem set up, and we'll do that problem. So 0 times 0 is 0. Oh, there's that rule on multiplication again. 0 times 3 is 0. And now I'm going to put a placeholder 0. 7 times 0 is 0. And 7 times 3 is 21. My estimation is 2,100. 537 times 8. Now when you get these type of problems, just estimate the top one. Leave the bottom one be. So we'll change this 500 closer to 500 or 600? Well, it's closer to 500, so we'll back down. By the way, your magic break point would be 550. If you saw 550, then you'd want to go up to 600. But we're at 537, so we'll hold at 500. And then we'll just bring that 8 straight across. Good enough. 0. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0, and then 8 times 5, 40. Final answer, our estimated answer, is 4,000. By the way, just so you can see that it is close, let me see, we've got 56, carry the 5, 24, 29, carry the 2. The exact answer is 4,296. So you can see our estimation, it's close. You know, it's not bad. It's an estimate. All right. So you've got problems on 21. Have fun.